Hello, Restoration family. I'm sure I don't have to tell you about the crisis that our nation and our country are currently in the midst of as it relates to this COVID-19 pandemic. That's why today I'm here to communicate to you our ministry's strategy and direction moving forward over the next several weeks. You can expect to see a pivot in our intentions and our focus in several areas. Number one, our belong groups. Initially, the focus of belong groups at Restoration were to build small group communities so that we can build intimacy as our church grows larger. Well, now we are pivoting in our intentions as it relates to belong groups to meet the needs of the general public. There's no greater need right now like community when people are so isolated. And so we're going to help to provide that need to the general public by opening up our belong groups. Two, we're going to be shifting in our intention and focus as it relates to our weekly offerings of prayer. Twice a week, we have two opportunities for prayer. Our Monday night corporate prayer, which is from 7:30 to 8:30 Eastern, and our Thursday prayer offering, which is from 12:30 p.m. until 1:30 p.m. Eastern. We're referring, moving forward, to these prayer offerings as our weekly prayer line connection. Three, Pastor Jeanette and I, we are going to be hosting a weekly podcast on Wednesdays called Faith, Family, and the Future with Dexter and Jeanette Howard. You can expect these shifts in focus for the next several weeks as our ministry's response to this COVID-19 pandemic. I want to leave you with this. Remember to stay connected in three ways. Number one, stay connected digitally through our digital offerings on a weekly basis. It's important to stay connected through the vehicle of prayer. We need to pray for each other and for our world like never before. And then lastly, but certainly not least, I am exhorting you to stay connected through your giving. Like no other time than now, must you stay connected in your giving for our ministry to remain viable and continue to be a blessing as we outreach to the general public, and also for you and your family in your covenant connection that you have with God. Listen, we are not in fear. We are in faith. Faith over fear. God bless you, and I'll connect with you soon.